down here at McDonald Nature Preserve. We're going to do some exploring to see about the hiking here. This land was owned by Alton McDonald, and he farmed it from the 1930s until the 1980s. Then after that, when he passed away, Wilbraham actually purchased this land to preserve it. We have wetland inside this wooded area in here, and it goes all the way down to the middle school. There's wetlands in here that Wilbraham's trying to preserve, and they're doing a fantastic job. So this is the main trail. This is Alton's Way. We're making our way to the barn. This is a nice woodland walk. You definitely want to bring your bug spray. Now this was Alton's barn, and the town decided to keep it. This is a pretty big barn. Very old. Lots of history here. You can see there's a tree in there holding the barn up. So here's another hayfield. So Wilbraham is really cool the way it's situated. Wilbraham has some flat-lying land and some mountain range, right? And so in that mountain range, there's been caves found, stone caves, where they think Native Americans used to live and take shelter. Arrowheads have been found in Wilbraham. Stay tuned, we're definitely going to get to that. Okay, so there's another trail. You can go through the woods and go deep in this way. Let's see if it's labeled. Okay, so we have some markings here on the tree. So yeah, you can go two ways now. And the trees are marked. This is Jasmine Trail, labeled up here on this tree. And you can see it's a different color. There's yellow and orange there. Marking for jasmine. So, we've just entered the woods. So let's just take a look back. So we can see the barn, and we can see his hayfield. That's the second hayfield. Now he would literally drive through this area and make his way over to the middle school, but stopping in between. From here to the middle school, that's pretty far. So here's some blue marking on this tree. You can see this tree is pretty old. Let's just take a look around in the forest here. Listen to the birds chirping. There are recreational activities that are allowed up here. You can hike. You can bring your horse. In the winter, you can cross-country ski and snowshoe back here. Thick. As you can see, somebody came down here with something motorized. So this trail goes all the way to the middle school. We're not going to do that today. Maybe some other time. Maybe we'll go to the middle school. That's the south side. Go there and then do it from that way. Maybe do halfway, because this is a huge trail. It's 29 acres of trail, and it's a corridor through the whole center of Wilbraham, which is pretty amazing. So we're going to head back now. Right at the field. Go in. So when you arrive to Alton's Way, make sure that you come over and check out the maps. Actually take a picture with your phone and keep it on you. That way you know where you are. All the trails are labeled here on the map, and then when you go in there, the trails are also labeled. So definitely take a look at the map. That way you know where you are. It's pretty big in there. Make sure you bring your bug spray too. Alright, have fun. So guys, that was fun. It's Alton's Way. Make sure you stay tuned for more. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button, follow me. We're going to be showing you all around Wilbraham. Good stuff's to come.